How to set a screen lock on your Samsung phone. In this video, step by step guide whether you want to protect your personal data with you can easily set a pin, password, fingerprint, face lock. This video will show you exactly how to secure your Samsung phone. So let's start it. First you have to just open your mobile settings. Like you have any Samsung device, tell me in the comment box which Samsung device. So you want to just click on the here settings, go to this settings. You can go here settings on the top bottom notification bar here also, and you have to just open your settings app also. So two easily steps have your Samsung phone. So after click on the settings, now you can see here, scroll down, and now you can find here security, and here have the privacy options. So you have to just find here, you can see is lock screen. Click on lock screen. After click on lock screen, now you can see in the top side screen lock and biometrics. Click on here. Now you can see pin, password, pattern, and you have to just, you can select face lock and your fingerprints. So we can now just select the pattern. So you can see the pattern lock here. So you have to just, example for I will show you. Now you can see you have to just draw your pattern lock which you want to set. You can easily different types of locks here available. You can set pattern, pin, password, fingerprint, and you can easily set up here. So now you can see I have just set up my lock here, pattern lock. Now you can see, just wait, when I open here, my pattern lock will be set here. Thanks for watching the video. Genuine Guide YouTube channel.